using norm. You understand what I'm saying? Instead of learn numbers, you're supposed to be using norm to control your while loop, not learn numbers. So please change it. Does it make sense?
No. No.
Eh? Do you understand what I just explained now, Ugo? Do you understand what I just said? Did you understand what I explained now?
I should learn norm.
No, norm is not an array, just norm. Norm is a variable. Don't need to do learn norm. Norm is not an array. Just use norm. Norm is what is going to control your while, how many times your while loop will run based on what the user entered, isn't it? So you don't in this it's okay. Even look at the example. In number one, did you see anybody using learn anything? Because they were both empty. You can't use learn of the array at that time. You only use learn for an array that is not empty, that you know that okay, the number of, are you listening to me?
Yes.
You can only use learn.
Can you help me carry the fan? It's hot.
Are you sure you're listening to me or you're talking to David?
I'm not talking to David. David is in the room.
I said you can only use learn for an array that has items. That the number of items will control how many times your while loop will run. Do you understand now? So please continue your while loop quickly.
Okay. Excuse me, Miss Lucia. I'll need up to like raise the fan up. It's too down. Like David. David. Yes, Mr. Charles.
You should have done this before our class started. Set up your workspace before class starts.
No, I brought
You understand what I'm saying?
I need you to, yes, I need you to like raise it up. Mr. Charles, what did you say? David is saying,
What are you trying to do?
Huh?
What's that semicolon doing there? Please remove that semicolon. You are in Python.
But put a semicolon after this.
No. Noise. Because what you did now, that thing must not repeat itself again. Do you understand me?
Huh?
What you did now must not repeat itself again. Or else I'll ban you from using WhatsApp for our questions. Now,
Are you
listening to me? Are you listening to me?
Huh?
Are you listening to me?
Yeah.
You had 2 arrays in question 1. You don't need 2 arrays in question 2. So you don't need what you are doing now. You don't need that. You don't need that second one. Just go straight to the one that says dot append. The name of your array norms. Really? Is this norm that you're adding to the array or the data one that you just ask the user to enter? Can you do me a favor and stop singing? It looks like it's your singing that is making you to be distracted.
No.
Yes, it is. Apparently, it is.
No.
Why will I be correct? Something that is in front of you, you are messing it up. You're not even thinking at this point. You're supposed to just copy and paste.
Huh? I'm done.
And stop disconnecting your battery. It's too low. Before you know it, the computer will go off. You are done with what?
How many times should I hit enter?
You are done with what now?
Huh? Wait, no, I'm not done.
It's twice now. How many times do you usually hit enter? Did you hear me? I said stop singing. Hit enter now.
Because it is saved file.
You can still run it now. You will still run it. You run it later. There's a way you can run it later.
How?
Open it and continue your work. I'll show you how to run it. Go. I don't want to remind you again.
But I like singing.
No, don't sing. It's not allowing you to concentrate.
But it is. I was playing.
You are doing what? Look at that menu there that says run. Have you seen that menu there that says run? Eh?
Yeah.
Don't click it now. Don't click it now. I'm just showing you. So when you are ready to execute it, that's what you would click.
Run.
Yes.
And I've done run.
Eh?
I've pressed run.
You've pressed run.
Yes.
If you click on run mode,
No.
what did you click on?
Invalid decimal letter out.
Well, apparently. So what we are going to do is, you are going to copy this thing line by line. Put that other one that is new beside it and copy line by line quickly. Be careful, copy line by line. Remember, copy line by line. And stop singing. Thank you very much. Careful, oh. Be careful.
What did I do?
No, I'm just saying that you should be careful.
Why?
This should tell you next time that you don't save a file until you are done running, until you have finished the question. That way, the file will save your finished code, not something that is half done. have to remind you again to not sing.
Singing. I'm not singing. Mr. Charles.
I want the class quiet. Just as much as possible. Focus on your work. I don't want to hear any sounds. I don't want to hear anything. Go ahead with your work. You know how many times you should hit enter to proceed. All right, so now you can close this one, the one that's by the right hand side. We're going to replace it. You can close that one by the right hand side. Let it save. And you can just say yes. Okay, we'll replace it. There's no problem. We'll replace it. Now put your WhatsApp beside it so that you can continue the question. Did you hear what I said? Okay. So what did the question say after that? Can you read it out? Ugo, did you hear what I said? Ugo, did you hear what I said?
Yes.
I said you should read it out. Read out the rest of the question as you're solving it.
I told you something in chat. Mr. Charles.
You are wasting my time.
I told that you told you. Huh? Okay. After that, before you do the following to each of the elements in array called numbers. Hello.
Yes, so go ahead and do what the question said.
Well, in range numbers
What did you just type?
After the before.
Can you see what you are typing? After, when you type, why are you typing that parenthesis like that? The closing parenthesis. Don't forget your colon.
I'm coming. I'm back. I'm back.
Okay,
Hello.
I can hear you. Welcome back. Continue your work.
Huh? What do you mean by multiply each by 3, add 10 and subtract 5?
How do you, wait, listen to me. How do you access an element in an array? How do you access?
How do I
Access the elements in an array? Is it not by using the array name, the square brackets, and is it not by using the array name, the square brackets, and the integer in between the square brackets? Did you hear me?
Yes.
So that's how you access the elements in an array. So if you are going to multiply it by 3, you give us the name of the array, the square brackets, and then you have your I to help you to control the numbers, you know, as it's going and it's changing.
Huh? What did you say? Hello?
Can you do me a favor and stop playing with that thing?
Huh? Why are you? Oh. What did you say?
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
I said to access an array, you use the name of the array and square brackets. Is that not what you do?
Yeah.
Yeah. If you do only that, we will not see whatever you did. So you need the print statement. That's why you have been busy telling me since yesterday that you are not seeing anything. If you don't put a print statement, how are you going to see anything?
I don't know.
Is the array a number or numbers?
Number.
But pay attention to whatever you are
Yeah.
doing. You are not. Your work is showing that.
Sorry. Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
What? I
Are
can
you
hear
there?
you. What's this?
Just to know if she was still there. How many times should I
How many times should you do what? Are you done that you're hitting enter? You've not done anything now. You put square bracket. You didn't put anything in between. No, you can't do that, Ugo. You can't do that. Seriously. You can't do that. Have you ever seen us doing that kind of thing there? That is for where your variable should be. Numbers I. That's what should be there first. Then you now do your multiplied by 3 and all that. Why are you putting comma? Space them out. Space them out. Don't need to jumble them together just because they are there.
Oh, you that again. How many times should I hit enter?
How many times do you usually hit enter?
Once.
Really?
Twice.
Ah. Go ahead and do whatever you usually do and move on, please.
6 and 11.
Confirm if those
14,
answers are correct.
17.
Confirm if those answers are correct. If you multiply 1 by 3 and add 10 and subtract 5, will you get 8?
3 times 10 is 10 times. Oh, what did you say?
Confirm if your answers are correct.
That's 31, 2, 3, 4, 5. Incorrect.
Eh?
Incorrect.
Why? What makes it
7.
incorrect? What makes it incorrect?
I gave it 7.
Where did you get 7 from? How did you get 7? Explain your answer.
I did 3 times 1, which is 3. Then I added it. I added the 3, but also 1 plus 10, which give me
10 plus 3 is what?
13.
13 minus 5 is what?
2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8.
13 minus 5 is 6. Why did you not say that it's not correct?
I made a mistake.
Quickly check the second one. Check the second one.
How?
The second one is there now. The second number that you entered into the list is what?
Oh.
What did you say?
0.
0.
Ow. 11. Oh.
What's the second number that you entered into the array?
11.
It was 2 that you entered, Ugo. The second number you entered into the array is 2.
Oh, 2.
Now carry out the calculation and see if it will give you 11.
How?
The same thing you did, times 3 plus 10 minus 5.
Okay. 3 times 1. 3 times 1, which is 3,
3
plus
times
10,
2. We're talking about the second one now. 2.
3 times 2, which is 6, plus 6, and 6 plus 10, which is and 6 plus 10, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 60 minus 5, which gives you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is 11. It's correct. Not incorrect. Correct.
Go to the last one and confirm it. 8. The last one is 8. Confirm it. Confirm if that one is correct. If that one is 29.
11 minus 8 equals 3, and 8 plus 3 equals 11, and 11 minus 3 equals 8.
What are you saying? Huh?
11 minus 3 equals 8.
That is not what you are confirming. The last entry in your array is 8. Multiply 8 by 3. Add 10 and minus 5. That's what you're supposed to do.
8 times 3 is 32.
8 times 3 is 32.
Wait, no. 24.
Looks like you are sleeping.
34.
You are forgetting your multiplication table. It's 24,
No!
please. Oh yeah, continue. 8 times 3 is 24. Go ahead.
I need tissue. Eight times 3 is 24. 24 plus 10, 34. 34 minus 5.
It's what?
Which is 29. It's correct.
Let's go to number 3 quickly.
I'm back.
I know.
What do you mean?
I said I know that you're back now. I've seen you. The camera is
Okay.
on. You've forgotten.
Maybe.
Yeah, go to number 3 quickly.
Quickly. Yeah, quickly. Was that number 2?
Yes, that was number 2.
Oh yes, number 2. And it was said that
We're going to, are you listening to me? We're going to
Yeah.
replace that one. We're going to replace that one that which you did halfway. I think you called it match ups in array, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, click on save. Click on save. Click on save quickly.
I know. I will
You know.
know. No.
So why are you
No.
wasting time?
No.
You know.
No. Stop. Oh, what's happening? I don't want to
What is
save
happening?
us. I don't know. It's giving me save us.
Don't worry, just continue. It's the first one now. It's the first time. Have you forgotten? Anytime you are saving a file the first time,
Save
it will give you
us.
save as. Yes. Don't tell me that you have not noticed that about your computer.
I haven't.
You haven't? Okay. So today you have discovered something new, and take note of it. Anytime you are creating a new file in your computer, check it, whether it's Notepad or whether it's Microsoft Word or whether it's PowerPoint, because it's the first time. It doesn't have any name, so it is equivalent to a save as. Do you understand now?
Yes, yes. Document have 140 something.
Look for the file now. We're overwriting a file that you've already saved before.
I know. I'm looking for the name. Math.
Math ops in array. More math ops in array. Or is it you don't even have more math ops? You see, you're giving it a new name. I said overwrite. Yes. So you have
What
to
do you
click
mean
that.
override?
Yes, that's what I mean. What you've just done is overwriting. Or you click on save. It will
Save.
say, do you want to replace? It will say, then you say yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Outside.
Yes. All right. So you can now go to number 3.
How did this happen?
Go to number 3 quickly. We don't have time.
Oh. When is your next class?
I don't know. Just try and help me save my time. Close it and go to number 3.
Get out. Are you on WhatsApp?
No.
Well, you say you're online and you say you saw my message. 66.
I just read your message. I've not read it before.
Now. Why saying you're online?
Yes. I'm not online again.
Oh, no more. Online. Do you use laptop or phone for the class?
Sometimes I use laptop, sometimes I use phone.
Which one do you mostly use?
Phone.
Phone.
Yes.
How?
I use
Wait,
phone
what
now.
I thought you use laptop.
My phone is available. I use
I
it.
sometimes. Huh?
Said if my phone is available, I use it.
Phones are available, but I don't think I can use phone to connect to class.
You use phone, you will not be able to do your coding now. You won't be able to do your own coding on the phone, right?
Yes. And what if I use phone? Will you tell me immediately to switch to laptop?
Of course.
What if you have that person has notepad on the phone and Python? Isn't there a way to download Python on your phones?
I wish.
Wait, seriously, there's no way.
We can make something work, but it's not going to work exactly as it is on a computer.
Oh.
You understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
So that's why we use system for you. All right. So on to number 3.
I need to blow my nose again.
Don't you have a
I need to
handkerchief?
blow my nose again. No.
Go and blow your nose then.
Once you're already recording in progress.
I paused it.
How?
Can pause the recording.
Why did you pause it?
There's a pause button.
Why did you pause it?
Because you were out of class.
So anytime I'm in class, you're not pausing it. But anytime I'm out of class, you're going to pause it.
Yes, I usually pause it. Usually, not all the time.
Am I on YouTube?
some of your videos, yes.
You have a son.
A song.
Son. Mr. Charles. Don't
Yes.
speech. Do you have a son? Don't police my speech. Don't police my speech. Don't police my speech. Don't police my speech. Don't police my speech.
This okay, that song, right?
Yes. No, like I said, do you have a son? No.
So why did you not start singing Don't Police My Speech?
I like it.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Can we
David
get on with
said,
the class now?
we
What did
better
David
with.
say? What did David say?
One day I asked him, David, I subscribed to Gifted Instructors. He now said, why should I be subscribed? Because I now said, because it's Mr. Charles. He now said, okay, I'll unsubscribe now. Now said, you can come and meet him.
Okay, let's get on with the class. Maybe we'll talk about that some other time.
MTRA then. What should I name the prom?
What should you name the what?
Prom. Har.
I don't understand your question.
What should I name the prom?
What do you usually name it?
I don't know. Nom.
Yes, you can use nom.
But how do you? But the variable is names. Doesn't that mean you have to do something about names?
Not exactly. The number of integers and the number of names is still a number, isn't it?
Yes.
The time when you may need to change the variable name from num is when you're now actually entering the name into the what do you call it? The array. You can now call that one name. You know.
Array.
I didn't hear what you said.
I said into the array or list.
Yes, into the array or list, exactly.
I'm going to listen to Don't Police My Speech after the class.
You're going to listen to what?
Don't Police My Speech after the class.
Okay, all right. Okay, so you can go ahead with the prompts.
I know how to name it. Friends' names.
No.
Wait. Why can't I name a friend's name?
It's not at this point you change the name. It's when you're within the while loop.
Oh.
Be careful so that you don't mess this code up. You have to start again.
Wait. Okay. I thought I'll do something wrong here.
No, it's just you.
How many strings do you want to enter? How many strings do you want to enter? How many strings? How many strings? How many strings? How
This we are
many
sure that
strings?
it is names. Eh? Are you listening?
Huh?
What's that colon doing at the end there? Since we are sure that it is names, you can change that strings to how many names do you want to enter?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, that's perfect. All right. So you can now go to the next line. So remember, it's your friends' names that you want to enter, right? So you can, how many do you want to enter? How many do you want to enter?
Five.
5. Oh yeah, now put the 5 there and go on.
40.
Okay.
Wow. When?
No. It's an
No,
empty array.
sorry. I just remember. I'm doing push-ups. Push-ups.
Okay.
Push-ups. 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 I'm doing one-handed push-ups. Okay, I can't do one-handed. Double hand. What the?
Go be careful so that you don't mess this thing up. Remove that full stop there and keep it there.
Where did you come from? Bop, bop, bobbity dop. Bop, bop, bobbity doo. Enter. Friend's name. Can I name the variable friend's names?
Okay. Friend's name.
Yes.
Okay, yes, you can.
Okay.
But remember, there are no spaces in between your variable name.
Friend's name.
Okay. Name.
No,
Just one. It's one at a time now.
names. Friend
Yes.
name.
All right. Yes.
Friends.
All right.
Yeah. Friends name.
All right, go ahead. Really? You do an int. Do you still do an int for strings? When you are
said next in a while with props.
it is strings that you are receiving.
It's a prompt.
Huh?
It's a prompt.
I know. Is it every prompt that you use int? Is it every prompt that you use int? You have forgotten. Sometimes you use int, sometimes you don't. This is a classic example where you don't need int. Why? Because you are accepting strings for now. Do you understand? Good. Do you understand?
Yes.
It's somebody's name. If you can't do int on somebody's name, that thing will give you a runtime error.
What the?
Huh? Finish up your prompt quickly. Let's get this thing done.
10 feet. 10. Your answer.
Ugo, in between quotation marks, you can do anything you want. You can separate it. You can put quotation mark. You can put what's that thing called? What's that thing called?
This.
Yes, that one. Yes, before the S. Apostrophe S. Yes, that's what I wanted to say. Please, Ugo, that colon that you put there.
Quotation mark.
You can call it single quotation mark, but in English, it's called apostrophe S.
But I want to call it single quotation mark.
Well, you need to get used to what it is called in English too, because English is a language, and you should get used to what it is called. If you can't call it single quotation mark in your English class, your English teacher will not be happy. I hope you know that.
Mrs. is my English teacher.
Who is your English teacher?
Mrs. I'm here for. Or can be called grandma.
Exactly. All right. So you are done with the prompt. On to the next. I hope you know that this is what we've done now has not entered it into the array. It has only entered it into the variable name. So now to enter it into the array, that's the next step. Oh yeah. Go on to the next step. Quickly.
I got to go to number 1 for this.
You forgot to. You should have gotten used to it by now.
No, I haven't forgotten. I just want to make sure.
Okay. See, that's why long array names, you have to be careful with them.
I know. FR, IE, ND, SN, AME.
All right, so you are good to go. Okay. What's the next thing? Because don't tell me that you have forgotten your increment. You didn't need to click on that read more. Careful. Before you can mess something up.
Error code.
You just see
there's one time
everywhere we turn.
There's one time we had the one time the teacher was about to give us 0 homework, but she just realized and said, error code, there's no homework. Error code. Everybody in the class was like, no.
So all her classes, she gives you for homework, right?
Yes, but in some, she just gave us 1.
Okay.
Wait, she barely even gave us 1. It used to be like 3, 4, 5, something like that.
Okay.
And there's one homework I cannot finish. One holiday homework, one midterm homework.
Why is it hard for you to finish it?
I can't miss. It's an artwork. Mr. Onye, our new art teacher, and our new art teacher, he gave us a work that we should create a flower. We should cut out a flower without outline, without any outline.
So why is that hard? How is that hard?
out a flower.
You can't cut out a flower.
Oh.
He wants you people to engage your imagination more. So why can't you cut out? Can't you imagine a flower? Imagine the outline of a flower, then use a scissors and cut it out.
I tried asking Fortune and David, but they couldn't do it.
Okay, so you know what you do? You can check on YouTube if you see it. Not now.
They'll be like those crap. You need like to this bending paper, that folding paper thing. You have to fold the paper, not cut it into the shape. The ones I saw, you just fold it into a paper, not cut it in. Fold it into a
follow
flower,
it now.
not cut it into. But it's too hard.
You can do it. Everything that was hard was not impossible. It's hard, it's not impossible. Hard means you should try it. Put more effort and you can do it. Can do it. Yeah. Always tell yourself that you can do something, okay? And then you now try doing it. Don't ever give up.
I'll try not to. Try.
All right, so we can proceed. You hit your hit enter and proceed. The next one. You've forgotten the A in Tiwa.
I made a mistake.
Tiwa will finish you.
She won't get. She won't even see it.
How do you know?
She won't be able to see it.
I'll screenshot it and go and show her.
No! This is meant to be Jide.
Jide, but you called it JJ.
Yes. I call him JJ in school.
You call him JJ in school?
Yes.
Okay. Don't remember your friend's name, Shemilore?
Yes. Mars.
That's supposed to be Marizu, right? You call him Mars.
Mars. Sometimes I call him Marizu and Mars.
Okay. All right. So what's next? The question has not finished. I know, but it has not finished.
It is for loop.
Why is it that you always like using I? Can't use any other this thing? Variable.
I'm used to I. So I can do for num I can do for num.
You can use for name. You can use for name in names. You understand? Yes. But now, if you use for name, see, are you listening to me? If you use for name in names, you will not have K. You need a K, a counting variable. So use your len. Just go ahead and use your for n, for K in len. Exactly. Len. Range. Thank you. Range. Then len. Exactly.
I cannot forget range.
Oh, that's good.
Cannot forget range. Wait, good. I did it before you could say anything. Are you Water.
Correct. Okay, so go ahead. Go to the next line now.
Next city line. Good. What do you mean display each element?
That's it now. That means you should use a print. You're online. You're in line, sorry.
What do you mean? I don't understand what you said.
I said you are correct. Display it. So what it says, you should just type what you see there. Names K times K. Finish. Where is your square bracket?
Where is the bracket? Name is a name.
You know what to do. No, it cannot be like that. You know it cannot be like that. You know it cannot be like that. You know that. Please fix it.
Names K in K.
It cannot be like that. Did you hear what I said?
Yeah.
Just follow what the question gave you. Type exactly what the question gave you.
The question didn't give me anything.
Really?
Oh!
Huh. You know what I'm telling you, that you're not paying attention. Look at something in front of you and the thing is just looking at you there, and you're telling me that the question didn't give you anything.
Oh!
Number 3 is the simplest. I was wondering why you are telling me it's not showing me anything.
Number 1 is the simplest.
Number 1 is the simplest because the code is already given. Followed by number 3.
No, followed by number 2, then number 3.
Really? Okay. Let us see what we have.
Anne-Marie. J. Shame. Mars.
You understand what is happening there?
Where's TIW? Where's TIW?
Yes. Do you know why TIW did not show?
No. Did you screenshot it?
No, because its position in the array is position in the array 0. So when you say names 0 times 0, it will not show. So what do you think we should do to make it show?
Then 1 times 0.
No. What should we do to make it show?
-1 times 0.
No. Now, type that for loop that you typed there, type it again. Well, I'll tell you what to do. Yes. Type the for loop again. For K in range, then len. You know what to do. Oh. Okay. Now, go ahead now. Hit enter. Now, that place where you see that place where you have names K times K. This time you will have names K times K plus 1.
K times K.
Now, but put it in bracket. So put it in bracket. If not, you might have a small. No, do you understand what I'm saying? Put the K plus 1 in bracket.
Oh.
Yes.
No,
not that kind of bracket. K plus 1 in parenthesis bracket, normal parenthesis bracket. The K is not inside. The K must be inside. Yes. Plus 1. Then close the parenthesis for the print statement. Okay. All right. Now try it.
Nothing will happen.
Well, why would you hit enter only? You said nothing will happen. Did you spell your print statement correctly? Well done.
I'm scared.
You almost messed it up.
I'm sorry. J, 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 J. Shame. Mars. Woof, 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 woof.
Okay.
Woof, woof,
So,
woof, 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 woof.
is
I'm
there any
ready
other
to
thing you want to try out?
know.
Okay.
Wow. Wait, let me see.
Huh?
Yeah, no. I say yes, no. Wait, let me copy. How to do it again? I also have more friends. What
You
will
want
the
to add more friends?
variable name still show yes or so? So I'm
I
going
don't
to,
understand.
like, for this, I'm going to copy it. Enter.
You want to repeat
And
the code?
yes, but with copying
Okay.
one line. If you quickly cut down, you can say ETT. My name is Ugo. I cannot forget. I am Ugo. Nobody can tell me who my name is, cause I already know my name. Ugo is Ugo. His name is Ugo. Ugo. He loves to be an Ugo. 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 Now I'm going to copy this again,
Okay.
then enter. Control C. Ugo. Ugo, 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 Ugo. Ugo, 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 Ugo. Ugo, Ugo. I'm done. So do you now know when your next class is?
What did you say?
Do you know when your next class is?
It should be around 3 o'clock.
Wait a second. Ooh. I definitely didn't look for this. I definitely did. So is that all for today?
These are just your homework. So I'll send you something to do later.
Homework! 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 Homework!
You don't want homework? Huh?
I do.
Because you don't want homework.
I do. Were you hearing the fan
Yes, I did.
so much?
Well, kind of.
It wasn't even loud. Oh,
No, not really loud.
very loud in my ear.
Okay.
I can barely hear you.
That's why you have to use the earpiece.
Eh?
That's why you have to use the earpiece.
No, I could barely hear you even with the earpiece on when I'm standing near the fan.
Okay. Okay.
Could you barely hear me?
No, I can hear you perfectly.
What?
Yes. I'm not the fan. As in, if you didn't tell me that the fan was even on, I wouldn't know.
Eh? Wait.
Yes, I wouldn't know.
Oh no. Is my fan on or not?
What did you say?
Or not? Eh? Was
didn't
my
hear what you
fan
said.
on or not?
When?
When you said you couldn't hear me the first time.
No, it was just because you were, maybe you left or something. I didn't hear you.
Maybe I was.
You were a bit far away from your microphone.
No, I
But
wasn't.
it wasn't because
I
of the
couldn't.
fan.
I didn't remove the headphones.
Okay.
So that means it was because of the fan.
Well, I can't say. I don't think so.
Were you hearing fan noise?
Yes.
Tell me what you're hearing now.
Something like static.
Eh?
Like air that's blowing something.
So far.
Yes.
That's the fan! My
Okay. Now
I
let
don't
us
know,
take
but
a, let's
I'm
have a
running
takeaway
around.
from this homework. What do you notice
Eh?
about a while loop? What's the difference between using a while loop and using a for loop? What's the difference in Python?
Let me
One
see.
difference that you notice. What is one striking difference that you notice when you're using while loop to access your array versus using a for loop to access your array?
You don't use range in while loop. I've
No,
never seen
that's
us
not
use
true.
range.
You
I
are not
mean,
serious.
I've
You have
never seen us
forgotten.
use range
You have
in
forgotten.
while
Eh,
loop.
don't say that. How will you say that? You have forgotten. When the array had something inside, we could use a while loop and use range. You
Use
forgotten.
range. We can use range. Sorry.
So the only difference between while loop and for loop is that you don't need I assignment operator I+1 to count.
Yeah. But what?
I assignment operator I+1. You don't need to be increasing your I by 1 when you are counting.
In
In
a
a for
for
loop. Yes, you don't. You did not notice it.
I did.
Like now, look at that one that has 4K in range, learn names. Did you see anywhere that we said K assignment operator?
No.
That K+1
Never.
that we did there was just because the first one was not showing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
So what time are we meeting tomorrow?
Normal 6.
Oh, which one is 6? Is it not
Why?
4 o'clock?
We used to be meeting 6.
You and who used to be meeting 6?
Me and you.
That's not true.
Before we started doing 4 o'clock.
Okay, so we thought with 6 o'clock was long time ago. So we're doing 4, right?
Are you working by 6? Do you go to work by 6, or it's just that you have church by 6?
Sometimes you just need to rest.
Okay. Huh? What did you say?
I said sometimes one just needs to rest.
So you have it when you're like on full energy. Then when you're on lower energy, you have that other time to rest.
Yes.
Oh, like that.
So do you have any questions?
No.
Okay. Okay, so enjoy the rest of your day. I'll send you something.
You too. Okay. Bye bye.
All right, bye.